For when you feel like giving up, gentle words to hold your heart. For a heart on the edge of breaking, gentle words to stay with you. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Your worth does not belong to anyone else. Those who hurt others are often the ones who are hurting the most. It's okay to take some distance. They may be someone who hasn't yet noticed their own pain. Gentleness is not weakness. If your heart feels pain, it's a sign that you are kind. To retreat is a form of wisdom for survival. Choosing to step away is not a mistake. You are enough just as you are. You don't need to change. Who you are right now is already beautiful. Other people's opinions are not facts. You don't have to take in words meant to hurt you. The quiet ones often hold the strongest hearts. Your inner strength does not lose to anyone. To survive is already a victory. You made it through today. That alone is enough. Have the courage to be disliked. You don't need to be liked by everyone. Cruelty is a sign of inner poverty. It has nothing to do with your worth. Truly strong people do not look down on others. Words that belittle are not a sign of strength. They reveal weakness instead. Protect your inner peace above all else. Choose peace over endurance. You are allowed to feel safe. Resting is also a way of moving forward. It's okay to pause. Rest is part of the journey. Faith is the bird that feels the light when the dawn is still dark. Because there is night, morning will come. What you are going through now won't last forever. To exist is in itself meaningful. You matter simply by being here. You don't need a reason. When people compare themselves, they lose their way. You don't need to compare. Your path is your own. Silence is not cowardice. Choosing silence can also be an act of courage. Only you can protect yourself. For now, stay on your own side. You don't have to live according to someone else's expectations. Your life belongs to you. Living through today is enough. You've done enough for today. Being rejected does not mean you are wrong. Their judgment is not the truth. When your heart is tired, allow yourself to pause. Resting is not running away. Loneliness is not a failure. Time alone has meaning.
You stayed with these words until the very end. That means you've already done enough to face yourself. Today, you don't have to be any stronger than you are right now. If things feel heavy again, please come back here. You are not alone. How did it feel? When you pause for a moment, you may notice things you usually overlook. If these words touched your heart in any small way, we're truly glad. Wishing you a gentle, beautiful day. If you'd like, please subscribe and leave a like. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.